Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, which look like this. Elemis very generously sent this over as part of PR, and I am in no way getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I am a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. Elemis describes this as gentle yet effective resurfacing pads that deliver a patented tri-enzyme technology for smoother skin to accelerate cell turnover as they lift dead cellular debris to gently exfoliate, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. You can purchase these pads at elemis.com and ultabeauty.com. A tub of 60 pads here retails for $60, making these $1 each. I'm not sure what I did with my nose there. Elemis suggests that you use these morning and evening after cleansing. You want to smooth the pad over your skin with the texture side down in circular motions. You do not want to rinse this off. You can follow this with your favorite moisturizer or your favorite sunscreen if you decide to use this during your morning routine. This product contains good ingredients, only a handful, about 5, maybe 6 of the best ingredients available. We see an alcohol, which is a fatty alcohol, an alcohol that does not irritate or thin your skin. This alcohol is safe to use topically. Within this formula, we see lactic acid, an AHA naturally found in milk and sugars. It helps to break down the bonds between cells to facilitate exfoliation of dead cellular debris. Lactic acid is also a hydrator. It inhibits discoloration and stimulates collagen synthesis for firmer skin. We see glycerin, which is a skin replenishing ingredient, and shea butter, an emollient and skin smoother. Shea butter is also rich in antioxidants, and it also has skin replenishing properties. I did not, unfortunately, take notes the first time I used this product. I'm not sure why, so I can't really tell you my genuine first impressions. I did, however, take notes on the second day that I used this, which was June 23rd. I think I may have done a hydrating skincare routine the night before, and if I didn't, I used the FARMACY Vitamin A Retinol Serum. I will link my review on that serum up above in case you missed it and would like to learn a little bit more about FARMACY's newest launch. I am still using that retinol as I record this for you all today. Anyway, I did not experience a tingle the second time I used the pads. I worked the pad in circular motion over my face and neck. I did not experience any redness, and the following day my skin woke up looking brighter and feeling smoother. Throughout the test, I alternated between the pads and the FARMACY Retinol Serum, and whenever my skin needed it, I would include a hydrating routine. On July 2nd, I noted that it was the first time I'd used the peel pads with the Cocoa Kind Ceramide Barrier Serum, and my skin did very well. If that review has gone up, I will link my review to the Cocoa Kind Ceramide Barrier Serum. I feel like it's an affordable, easy to use serum, so if you're looking for something like that, click the link up above and it will take you to that review. The following day, I noted that my skin woke up looking good, with a bit of a glow, but most importantly, it felt really balanced. On July 4th, I noted that these worked very well with the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Still no tingle. On July the 7th, I noted that these pads are not as strong as FARMACY's Honeymoon Glow, as I'd used FARMACY Honeymoon Glow on one side and the peel pads on the other side of my skin. The half with the Honeymoon Glow Serum woke up with much smoother, glowy skin, and I think that Honeymoon Glow is more resurfacing and decongesting than the peel pads themselves. So if you are new to acids and are ready for the next step, these pads could be a good investment for you. I am a lover of acid blends because my skin has been exposed to them for so long. It's been conditioned to them. The closest thing to a pad that I have tested prior to these have been the Peter Thomas Roth Even Smoother pads, which I love. I will link my review to that up above in case you'd like to learn a little bit more about those pads. While I definitely prefer the Peter Thomas Roth Even Smoother pads to these, it is because they combine both glycolic acid and retinol. I do recognize, however, that not everyone is ready for a retinol and glycolic acid combo in a pad. As an esthetician and as someone who sees different skin types, different sensitivity levels, skin conditions, I can tell you that these will work for some and the Peter Thomas Roth pads will work for others. If you are an advanced acid blend user, you can skip these. From using these pads, I've noticed smoother, brighter skin with a bit of a glow and some resurfacing. I definitely get more of a glow when I combine the pads with the FARMACY 10% niacinamide mask. Again, I know I sound like a broken record, but that overnight mask gives me the glow that I just love to see on my skin overnight. So when I pair the pads with the Elemis moisturizer, which looks like this, they very generously sent that over as well. My skin wakes up smoother and brighter, very well moisturized, except the glow factor just isn't there for me. The pads work very well with other serums, be it a hydrating serum or a ceramide-based serum, and I did not use the peel pads during the day. I used different moisturizers and oils over top the pads, and everything worked out very well. My favorite way to use this was to double cleanse with the Peach and Lily Oil Cleanser, Drunk Elephant Best Jelly Cleanser, my Murad Hydrating Toner. I'd apply the pads in circular motions, then I'd go in with the Cocoa Kind Ceramide Barrier Serum, use my FARMACY 10% Niacinamide Mask, and my Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 Facial Oil, some eye products, a lip product, and we're good to go. I know we are in the middle of summer here and I am still using and loving that Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 facial oil. I will link my review to that up above for you. I would recommend this to perhaps intermediate acid blend users who are not sensitive to fragrance or papaya enzymes. Papaya enzymes aren't for everyone, but they do work for a lot of people. I find these very easy to use. They are a potent blend for a beginner and intermediate acid users. I feel like they are lazy skincare routine friendly. My cons here are that these pads contain fragrance. They do contain a few poor and average ingredients that can potentially sensitize and irritate your skin. And although, like I mentioned earlier, papaya can be a sensitizing ingredient, it is often better suited for those who just cannot tolerate AHAs such as glycolic or lactic acid and BHAs such as salicylic acid. Those acids are not for everyone. I am deducting 1 point for fragrance, half a point for those poor ingredients, and half a point for the average ingredients. And while I want to deduct another point for not exfoliating my skin as much as I would like, I feel like this product did in fact exfoliate my skin, just not at the level that I would want it to. So I am deducting half a point for that. Not a full point, but just half a point. So I am rating this a 7.5 out of 10. If you do decide to add to cart, remember that we do have a few sensitizing ingredients within in this formula, and that these provide enough exfoliation for those who are just starting their skincare or acid blend journey. I did perhaps go a couple of days where I did use these 2 or 3 consecutive nights in a row, and I did not experience any redness, excessive dryness, or irritation. And I think that with continued use, this could potentially give me the glow that I do in fact want and crave from my acid blends. Let me know if you have used these pads from Elemis in the comments down below, or if you have used anything by Elemis in the comments down below. I know that this brand is very, very new to me, so I'd love to know if there are any products worth looking into. So let's discuss in the comments down below. That is all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone and welcome back. I have filmed 3 videos today, and on the 3rd one I checked the mic. It's on, thank God. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Feel Pad. What?